Hey everyone! The Halo Mini PC is one of the most ambitious compact desktop systems to arrive in 2026, bringing workstation-class hardware into an incredibly small form factor. Powered by AMD's flagship Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, this tiny machine is designed for users who demand exceptional gaming performance, advanced AI capabilities, and desktop-class computing without the bulk of a traditional tower. At the heart of the system is AMD's Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 APU, built around the Strix Halo architecture. Unlike conventional desktop processors that rely on a separate graphics card for high-end gaming, this chip integrates the Radeon 8060S graphics processor, featuring an impressive 40 compute units. The result is graphics performance that approaches dedicated gaming GPUs while maintaining the efficiency and compactness of an integrated solution. Gaming performance is one of the Halo Mini PC's biggest strengths. The Radeon 8060S has already demonstrated that it can compete with laptops equipped with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 4070 laptop GPU in many modern titles. This level of performance allows users to enjoy demanding AAA games at high settings, while also providing excellent frame rates in competitive esports titles. The processor itself is equally impressive. The Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 delivers multi-core performance comparable to high-end desktop replacement CPUs, making it suitable for demanding workloads such as video editing, software development, 3D rendering, engineering applications, and professional content creation. Where the Halo Mini PC truly separates itself from conventional gaming systems is its focus on artificial intelligence. AMD designed the platform with local AI processing in mind, allowing users to run large language models directly on the machine instead of relying on cloud services. AMD claims the platform supports a wide range of language models, from relatively lightweight models used for everyday productivity to much larger models containing well over 100 billion parameters. Another advantage of the Halo Mini PC is its operating system flexibility. Unlike some competing AI-focused systems that are limited primarily to Linux environments, AMD's platform supports both Windows and Linux. The compact design remains one of the system's biggest attractions. Despite housing hardware capable of workstation-level performance, the Halo Mini PC occupies only a fraction of the space required by a conventional desktop. Thermal management naturally becomes an important consideration with hardware this powerful inside such a small enclosure. Sustaining peak CPU and GPU performance requires an advanced cooling solution capable of handling prolonged heavy workloads. While AMD's Strix Halo architecture is designed for efficiency, workloads involving gaming, AI inference, or content creation will still generate substantial heat. The biggest obstacle for many buyers will undoubtedly be pricing. At approximately $3,999, the Halo Mini PC sits at the very top of the consumer mini PC market. Ultimately, the Halo Mini PC showcases what modern integrated computing has become capable of achieving. It successfully combines desktop-class CPU performance, graphics that rival dedicated gaming laptops, and powerful local AI acceleration into a remarkably compact package. For anyone looking for one machine that can excel at gaming, content creation, software development, and local AI processing without occupying much desk space, the Halo Mini PC stands among the most impressive small form factor systems currently available. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.